What's going on, battle crew? It's your captain here, Bueno, and thought I'd give you a quick update. The fishing has been kind of tough this past week. Didn't really get many bites, so here's a little segment of me just casting at several different spots here across Tampa Bay. It was a tough bite, and the weather's been all over the place, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to get to learn my camera a little bit better. It's an iPhone 15 Pro, and needless to say, this camera is pretty sick. It just takes a little bit to get used to, and so check out some of these clips that I took with it. Let me know what you think, and appreciate you being here while I try to figure it out. And always remember, all you need is that one cast to get your next battle.